warm sun on curvy roads. To embrace wildlife and nature, into the woods we go. Welcomed by majestic elephants, rhinos waving at you all along the way, birds watching over you from the treetops as the cool breeze runs through your hair. Close your eyes, feel the waterfall mist, get lost in a garden filled with orchids. This is Kaziranga, the land of Big Five. Experience taking a walk once on the wild side. Hello everybody, tis the holiday season and this time we are going to Kaziranga National Park. By we, I mean me and my family. So we left from Siliguri today morning at around 8 a.m. and we are going to Guwahati today by road. It will take us around 8 hours and we are about to reach. It's almost evening now. So come along with us on this journey to Kaziranga National Park. Good morning everybody. So कल हम लोग को गुवाहाटी पहुंचने में शाम हो गया and we are staying at my aunt's place. They will join us today. Today it's around now 8 o'clock in the morning. अभी हम लोग काजीरंगा के लिए निकल रहे हैं. It takes around 4 hours from Guwahati. So yeah, let's go. Journeys are meant to be fun. So let's discuss some interesting facts about Kaziranga on our way. Kaziranga National Park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site which owes its existence to the conservation efforts of Mary Curzon and her husband Lord Curzon. Did you know that the Kaziranga National Park is home to the world's largest population of the great Indian one-horned rhinoceros, wild Asiatic water buffalo and eastern swamp deer? So right now we have stopped for a short break at this place. We are having coconut water and here are certain stalls. Everybody stops here for a half break. ये क्या है?
दही है।
दही बैम्बू के अंदर। कैसे बनता है ये?
इसे बैम्बू के अंदर रखते हैं और कुछ खट्टा चीज दे के इसे 4-5 दिन ऐसे रख देने से दही हो जाता है।
अच्छा। It also has the highest density of tigers in the world. It has been declared as an important bird area by BirdLife International and is home to a variety of migratory birds. हम लोग काजीरंगा पहुंच चुके हैं बट आवर रिसॉर्ट इज़ अराउंड 20 मिनट्स मोर जर्नी करना पड़ेगा, इसीलिए हम लोग को बहुत भूख लगी है रास्ते पे. तो हम लोग यहाँ पे एक रेस्टोरेंट पे रुके हैं. बहुत अच्छी जगह है, वाइल्ड वुड्स काजीरंगा. Just after we finished our lunch and were on our way to a resort, we spotted all these animals such as the wild Asiatic water buffalo, the deers and even a one-horned rhino, which is the most famous animal in Kaziranga. So this gave us a really good feeling that if we could spot them even before we entered the deep jungle, then what the actual jungle had in hold for us. As we enter Kaziranga, we need to follow a speed limit of 40 kilometers per hour, or else there's a fine if we do not follow it. And this is done keeping in mind the safety of animals, because we are driving through a forest and they can come on the road at any time. And thus, keeping to the speed limit, we finally and gradually reached our hotel. So we have finally reached our resort. It is United 21 Grasslands and it's a really beautiful place. Good morning everybody. So आज हम लोग का is the day for safari. हम लोग का गाड़ी आ चुका है, हम लोग जा रहे हैं उसकी तरफ. We are doing a jeep safari जो कि 2 hours का होता है, and I really hope to spot all the 5 animals today. So yeah, let's go safari. The park remains open from November to April, but winter is the preferable season to visit. Hence, there was a lot of rush. This is the ticket counter from where you need to collect your entry pass and also submit an ID proof. And this is the refreshment counter. And we enter. It's really difficult to get an elephant safari, so you may pre-book it with the help of your hotel.
I'm wondering if you'd go wandering with me through the wilderness and woods to where the winds are blowing free.
This was the best and the most memorable moment of my trip, when the elephant understood us and turned its way round to wave us a goodbye.
And I'll spread the word and you beat the drum. We'll round up the troops and get the gang to come. And we'll leave the streets and these neighborhoods, head over the river through the woods.
सफारी भी होता है, पर वो तो सुबह होता है, तो अभी हम लोग जीप सफारी जा रहे थे, तो हम लोग इतना सारा एलिफेंट दिख गया. I, for my part, didn't want to do the elephant safari and preferred the jeep, because I feel that instead of burdening them, it's much more beautiful to spend time with them, feed them, and just love them. All the elephants are returning from the morning safari. From here, everyone go to the elephant safari. बहुत अच्छे से वेलकम किया. बाय जय बाय. One horn rhino. Shh, quiet. Big rhino. There is a one-horned rhino. एकदम पास हम लोग के. It's so amazing to see it. I think so it is injured. To migratory bird. There's a water buffalo and also a rhino. And there are also several ducks and deers drinking water and chilling on a sunny afternoon. Kaziranga is divided into 4 zones. We stayed and did a safari in the central zone and hence weren't able to spot a tiger because they are found more in the eastern zone, also known as the Agaratoli zone. We spotted a deer. We have to stay quiet or else he'll run
Say
away.
what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the
Looking at us.
morning. Say what you
And they're
wanna
going
say
away.
to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing
Migratory
fake to me
bird.
now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all.
OMG. He's eating so peacefully. Hi, rhino.
You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
What a view. At Dongo viewpoint, you can see the skeletons of bison. We are back from the safari after 2 hours almost, and it was one hell of an experience. है ना Mona? Amazing. Visiting Kaziranga is really worth it. मतलब, when we just enter the safari, you can spot rhinos almost everywhere, but you have to keep your eyes open. After having breakfast, we'll be going to the Kakochang Waterfalls, which is around 30-45 minutes from here. The Kakochang Waterfall is a hidden gem in Kaziranga, which not many people know about. Located in the Bukaghat district, it is about a 45 minutes drive from the central zone.
चल चल मेरे साथी ओ मेरे हाथी चल ले चल खटारा खींच के चल यार धक्का मार बंद है मोटर कार चल यार धक्का मार चल 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 मेरे साथी ओ मेरे हाथी चल ले चल खटारा खींच के चल यार धक्का मार चल 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 मेरे साथी ओ मेरे हाथी चल ले चल खटारा खींच के चल चल मेरे साथी ओ मेरे हाथी चल ले चल खटारा खींच
Good vibes around me tonight. No negativity in my life, just good vibes. That's what I got. So I don't need you waiting on my parade. Only shine behind your merry way. Want good, I only want good vibes around me tonight. No negativity in my life, just good vibes. That's what I like. So I don't need you waiting on my parade. Only shine behind your merry way. Want good vibes around me tonight. No negativity. Just good vibes, that's what I like. So I don't need you waiting on my parade. Only shine behind your mirror.
You have arrived.
Finally reached Kakochang Waterfalls. It is also known as Kai Langso Waterfall. यहाँ पे parking करके we have to do a around 20-minute trek up the hill. वहाँ से ट्रैकिंग स्टार्ट होगा तो हम लोग अभी ट्रैक करके वाटरफॉल के बेस तक जाएंगे एंड दिस इज़ अ हिडन वाटरफॉल इन काजीरंगा सो नॉट मैनी पीपल नो अबाउट दिस एकदम विलेज के बीच से इट वाज अ रियली फन राइड टू कम हियर एंड आई थिंक सो इट विल बी मोर फन टू विजिट द वाटरफॉल सो या लेट्स गो Hi. There's a long way to go to the Kakochang waterfalls. I think we finally reached after such a long trek. Kakochang. Somehow we have reached this. It was a tricky climb down. My grandfather is 72 years old, but he proved it again that age is just a number. अगर मन में इच्छा हो तो आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो. He not only did the trek with us to the waterfall, but also climbed higher to get a better view. You go, Grandpa! Wonderful view of the waterfall. Please don't litter any place. Nature is more beautiful without plastic. There are several small stalls on the way which sell fresh pineapples picked directly from the plantation here. How is it? How is it? यहाँ पे जो है लोकल मीट या राइस को बैम्बू के अंदर देके दे कुक इट एंड वहाँ पे एक बैम्बू का फ्लेवर आता है एंड इट्स रियली टेस्टी. सो वी आर गोना आगे जाके हम लोग बैम्बू राइस खाने वाले हैं. सो या लेट्स गो. दिस इज द बैम्बू राइस. Very excited to taste it. ये है वो बैम्बू राइस जो बैम्बू के स्टेम में they put it first inside the bamboo stem and then they cooked it. It looks different and I'm so very excited to try it. Bamboo rice and bamboo meat. Tea has been made in this and we are gonna drink it in these bamboo cups. This is the tea being cooked in bamboo. And we are returning from the waterfalls, but it was an amazing experience. I should definitely visit the Kakochang waterfall. I have misspelled this name quite a number of times now, but it was a really amazing experience. ढलते हुए सूरज के साथ ये ट्रिप भी खत्म हुआ ढेर सारे यादों के साथ. Goodbye Kaziranga and all the lovely animals. I will always remember this visit to your homeland.